ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। Today we are taking the Sanskrit Guru Gita. It is in the Skanda Purana, and by the Lord Shiva telling this Guru Gita to Parvati is the part from 152 to 171 we will take. देव शक्ति देवालये गोष्ठे सर्वदेवालये शुभे बटे वा धात्रिमूले वा मठे वृंदावने तथा। Shakti Devalaya, it means the temple of Mother Temple. Goshthe, it means when the cow or the cow shelter. Sarva Devalaya Shubhe, it means all the temples are good for Guru Gita. Bate means the banyan tree, under the banyan tree. Dhatri Mule, it means the Dhatri Mule, 1 minute. It means Dhatura and Dhatura, root of Dhatura. And Mathe, it means in the ashrams. Mathe, Vrindavane, it means the Tulsi, the Tulsi, plant of Tulsi, near the plant of Tulsi. Pavitre nirmale sthane nityanusthano apiva nirveda monena japametam samacharet. It means daily read this Guru Gita with the peace and keep mum. And when you do this exercise, you will get benefit. The Shamshane Bhaya Bhumotu Batamulantike Tatha Siddhyanti Dhausare Mule Amra Vrakshas Sannidho. It means Shamshan, it means the mortuary, when the dead body burn. Bhayabhumi, it means when you feel the fear. Batmul, it means the near of banyan tree. And the Dhatura and the mango tree. In this place, the Guru Gita give you success very early. Very early. Guru Putro Varam Murkha Stasya Siddhyanti Nanyatha Shubha Karmani Sarvani Diksha Vrata Tapansi Chaha. If you are the disciple of a master, if you are fool, if you are illiterate, don't worry about anything. If you taken the Guru Diksha, then your all work will be divine after some time. They will not wastage. संसारमलनाशार्थं भवपाशनिवर्तये गुरुगीताभ्यसि स्नानं तत्त्वज्ञं कुरुते सदा. संसारमलनाशार्थं, to destroy the sins of the world. Bhavan, and to the liberation from the illusion of Maya. Tattva-jnani Guru Gita Rup. If you want to become the Tattva-jnani, it means you want to become the knower of ultimate truth, then you should chant this Guru Gita. Sa eva cha Guruhu Sakshat Sada Sad Brahma Vittam Tasya Sthani Sarvani Pavitrani Na Sansayah. If the Master, he is the supreme knower of all divine knowledge, that is only the Master. So, the Master is living in that place is more pure than your pilgrimage. The place is more.
So how long does the Gita go for?
The place is more pure than all your pilgrimage. सर्व शुद्ध पवित्रासो स्वभावाध्यत तिष्ठति तत्र देवगणा सर्वे क्षेत्रे पीठे वसन्ति यः. If there is living the enlightened Master, Brahmaveta Sadguru, that place becomes all pure, no need of any puja of purity. The Master is come, all purity come with him. So, on that place the Master is living, all and God and Goddess, they are living automatically. Asanastha shayano va gacchetisti vadritat gacchantistani vadannapi asvarudo gajarudo supta jagrato apivaha. If you are sitting on chair, if you are laying on bed, if you are walking, if you are sitting on a vehicle or horse or elephant or ratha, if you are sleeping in deep sleep, if you are awaking, all the time that person is a Vakan, that is called the Jnani. So, if you want this type of Jnani, you should chant this Guru Gita. Shuchi Maksha Sada Jnani Guru Gita Japena Tu Tasya Darsana Matrana Punarjanmana Viddhate. If you only once see the Jnani or internal stage of the Jnani, your rebirth will never come. You will become moksha. You will get moksha. So, often person ask me, why we should see our Atma. Once you stay in your Atma, you will become free from death and birth. Samudre cha yatha toyam chire chiram ghृते ghृतम भिन्ने कुंभे यथा काशम तथात्मा paramatmani. As in the ocean is butter, as in the milk is milk, as the ghee in the ghee, as the different type of pots there is same sky as this Paramatma everywhere like this. Tatheva Jnani Jivatma Paramatmani Liyate Ekena Ramate Jnani Yat Tatra Devanisham. So, in this way, when the Paramatma and Jivatma submerge, as you put water in ocean, the water submerge in water. You put milk in the milk submerge in the milk. You put ghee in the ghee will submerge in the ghee, and the sky submerge in different type of skies. So when this Jivatma submerge in the Paramatma and dissolve in the Paramatma, so the Jnani Jivatma dissolve in the Paramatma. So Jnani and Paramatma both are one, or both are unstopped pleasure, live unstopped pleasure. एवं विधो महामुक्तः सर्वदा वर्तते बुधा तस्य सर्व प्रयत्नेन भाव भक्ति करोति यः. एवं बुधो, in this way, if you know, then you live like a Jivan Mukta. So the seeker must be devotee and be the great lover of the master, because the master is only can give you this knowledge. सर्व संदेह रहितो मुक्तो भवति पार्वती भुक्ति मुक्ति द्वयं तस्य जिह्वाग्रे च सरस्वती. My dear Parvati, listen. A person, if love his master and devote in the feet of the master, then there is no any doubt he will be liberated and he will become the Brahma, and the liberation and the treasure of this world both he will get, and his tongue of the tip live the Saraswati. It means he will say anything that will be true. Anena praninaha sarve Guru Gita japen tu sarva siddhim prapnuvanti bhukti mukti na sansayah. If another persons, they do not want liberation, if they read this Guru Gita, they can get everything by this Guru Gita. They can get the bhogas and they can get the mukti also. Satyam satyam punah satyam dharmam sankhya mayoditam Guru Gita asmam nasti satyam satyam varanane. Oh beautiful Parvati, it is truth. It is truth. It is truth. It is truth by the dharmas. It is truth by the Sankhya Yoga. It is truth by the all the Jnani's mouth. It is truth. It is complete truth, because nothing is great than Guru Gita. Nothing is great than Guru Gita. एको देवा एक धर्म एक निष्ठा परम तपः गुरो परम परतरम नान्यस्त्रास्ति तत्व गुरो परम. Only one religion in this world, only one truth in this world, the complete truth in this world, that only one's faith and only one surrender, that is the topest exercise of divinity, that the Master Sadguru Brahmavetta is the greatest, Nobody is like the master, nobody is bigger than master, nobody is equal than master, nobody that beyond the master. Master is the ultimate truth. If you love and if you sink into the master's heart, that you will sure get the ultimate truth. गुरु से परे न तत्व कोई, आत्मज्ञान समज्ञान। गुरु को सर्वस्व दीजिए तन मन धन अनुप्राण। It is Hindi. माता धन्या पिता धन्यो धन्यो वंश कुलम तथा धन्या च वसुधा देवी गुरु भक्ति सुदर्लभा। That devotees who devote his all totality in the feet of his master, his mother is dhanya. It means his mother is great, his father is great, only his father is great, only his mother is great. If he produce, if he and she give the birth, the lover of master. Dhanyo Vansha, that the big family is also great. Vansha, the race is great. Kula, the total family is great. That place, when the lover of master is living, that place is also great. Vasudha Devi, Guru Bhakti Sudallabha. Oh my Parvati, it is rare and rarest to get the real true Guru lover. The seeker, great seeker who loves Guru. The devotee of Guru is very rare and rarest. Shariram Indriyam Pranaschartham Swajana Bandhavaha Mata Pita Kulam Devi Guru Revana Sansaya. Oh divine Parvati, body, in senses, pranas, money, treasure, the relatives, the brothers and sisters, and mother and father and family, all are Guru, all are Guru. Your mother is Guru, your father is Guru, your brother is Guru, your treasure is Guru, your body is Guru, your senses is Guru, your prana is Guru. All things you see that Guru is all in all. No, there is no doubt, Parvati, there is no doubt. आकल्प जन्मना कोट्या जप व्रत तप क्रिया तत सर्व सफलम देवी गुरु संतोष मात्रतः. It, if you will chant the mantras for millions of millions years, if you do the fast millions of millions year, if you do the yajnas millions of millions year, and you do every your bookish exercises millions of millions year, but if your master is pleased on you, that is great. All are not great. The millions of millions year divine exercise, they are nothing. In the pleasantness of the master with you, master is pleased on you, that is great. That is great. So, on Shivoham, we will take the next episode next Sunday. Shivoham.